Catherine, Application Specialist at Vention, and welcome to Automate 2024. I'm really excited to introduce to you the latest version of MachineBuilder, our 3D design software. As our largest feature release in 3 years, you can now design custom machines or robot cells easier than ever before. Let's take a look together. Let's start off by exploring Design Quickstart. Now with this new feature, you can build your automation project from scratch or choose from hundreds of templates available to speed up your workflow. With the geometric reasoning engine, placing components in your design is more intuitive than ever. This AI-driven feature automatically snaps parts together in the right orientation, reducing the amount of guesswork required. And if you need to tweak your design, our improved 3D interface now features more intuitive part manipulation, empowering users to move components effortlessly while maintaining design integrity. One of my favorite features is the real-time bill of materials and part specifications available directly within the design environment, giving you even more visibility into your design. And there's more. When customizing your design, easily add robots, actuators, safety devices, and more parts directly from the parts library. Whether you're designing factory equipment, automated machines, or robot cells, MachineBuilder is your all-in-one platform to create a tailored solution that fits your unique needs. With Vention's MachineBuilder, take control of your automation journey.